I think let's cut across to the Infosys press
Delivered
conference.
strong overall performance with great business results in almost all categories. Back in the previous quarter, myself and Ranga and Praveen had talked about focusing, putting in a strong focus on execution, and I'm really happy to see that we have been able to deliver that, and the results are reflected in our performance. We saw 3.2% revenue growth on a reported basis, 2.7 on constant currency basis, and we had good margin performance of 24.1%, despite many margin pressures, and I'm really happy about that. For 6 quarters in a row, we have improved our revenue per employee. It is now just a whisker below $52,000, and this has come on the basis of strong utilization. Our utilization crossed 84% overall, and including freshers, it's 80.2%, which is the highest level ever. The 84% without freshers is the highest level in 15 years, and the 80.2% is the highest level ever. We also had very strong adoption of automation, our NIA platform, by our delivery teams, that led to the saving of several thousand people's worth of work in our delivery team, as well as the strong adoption of automation and AI in our client base. We had very strong performance in cash generation and our cash position. Ranga will talk about this in more detail. So overall, I am very happy with our performance. Starting this quarter, as promised earlier, we are revealing the new high growth services that we have been focusing on over the last couple of years. So there are 6 categories of new services in the cloud AI centric area. I'm very happy to report that compared to 2 years ago, when these services did not exist, we have seen strong growth in these. Going forward, we will obviously count on strong growth coming from these services. And in the last 2 years, the roughly $2 billion in revenue growth that we have seen, half of that has come just from these new services. So this is something that, as we transform our company on the basis of emerging services, of renewing our existing services on the basis of automation and our grassroots innovation. Earlier I drove here to this venue in our own indigenously built golf cart, autonomous golf cart. This is a test bed that we have built to train thousands of engineers in autonomous driving technology. As we renew our existing services on the basis of these dual forces of automation and innovation, powered by our ability to teach ourselves, and growing into completely new areas, both in new services and in new software, I'm really proud of the work that our teams are doing.